In 2026, the major oak passed away. In 2014, it was voted Britain's favorite tree. Designated one of the 50th greatest trees by Queen Elizabeth II in 2002, the 1,200-year-old tree became a popular spot in the Sherwood Forest. It was so popular that it required fencing to protect its roots as tourists compacted the soil above, preventing water from easily making its way down into the earth. But after the combination of heat waves, a dry spell, centuries of coal mining in the area which altered the water table, the tree was stressed beyond its limit and sprouted leaves for the last time in 2025. This tree was so old that it was around when Athelstan founded the Kingdom of England in 927 and saw its transformation into the Kingdom of Great Britain in 1707. In 2024, as the public spread rumors of its declining health, Rob James, a Sherwood Forest communications officer for the RSPB, commented, "While all trees do eventually reach the end of their life, the major oak will still continue to live and be in leaf for many years to come."
Apparently not.